Hey everyone, welcome back to the Expert Drive. Buckle up, because today we're unveiling the 10 cars that'll redefine the automotive world in 2026. From hybrid SUVs that sip fuel to luxury sedans that drive themselves, these machines aren't just cars, they're revolutions on wheels. Let's dive in. Number 1. 2026 Subaru Outback Hybrid first up. The 2026 Subaru Outback Hybrid. This isn't just an SUV, it's an off-grid adventurer's dream. With 30 miles of electric range and a hidden charging port, your daily commute could be gas-free. But don't sleep on its grit. 260 horsepower, Subaru's legendary symmetrical AWD, and X-Mode 2.0 for conquering mud, snow, or Moab. Plus, EyeSight 5.0 includes terrain scanning drones and a pet mode for your furry co-pilot. Starting at $45,000, this hybrid is ready to rewrite the rules of adventure. Number 2. 2026 Mazda CX-5 next. The 2026 Mazda CX-5. Dressed in snowflake white pearl, this SUV is elegance meets aggression. A 48V mild hybrid boosts its 250 HP turbo engine, while the cabin? Think 60K luxury on a $32K budget. Adaptive beams, traffic jam assist, and an AR heads-up display. Mazda's playing chess while others play checkers. Number 3. 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota's 2026 RAV4 Hybrid is here to dominate. With 225 HP, 42 mpg, and a 12.3-inch tech hub, this hybrid blends muscle with efficiency. The killer feature? A transparent trailer view for towing and advanced park assist that parallel parks for you. At $36K, it's the Swiss Army knife of crossovers. Number 4. 2026 Honda Pilot Black Edition. The 2026 Honda Pilot Black Edition is a 4,500-pound rocket. A 325 HP turbo V6 rockets it to 60 mph in 5.9 seconds, while the cabin pampers with ventilated seats and a 15-speaker Bose system. Hands-free highway driving? Check. At $58K, it's the family SUV that moonlights as a sports car. Number 5. 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Mercedes 2026 S-Class is luxury reimagined. The 750 HP electric S680 EQ hits 60 mph in 3.8 seconds, while Level 3 autonomy lets you Netflix and cruise. The 4D Burmester sound system? You feel the music. Priced for CEOs, but engineered for legends. Number 6. 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. The 2026 Alfa Giulia Quadrifoglio is 550 HP of Italian rage. A hybrid boosted V6, rear-wheel steering, and a Cocoon interface with AI that curates your playlist. At $85K, it's a BMW M3 Hunter with a soul. Number 7. 2026 Subaru Outback redesign. Subaru's 2026 Outback redesign is rugged sophistication. A 12% sleeker profile, 75 cubic feet of cargo space, and a dual-screen cockpit. The wilderness trim, 9.5 inches of ground clearance, and all-terrain tires. Adventure unlocked. Number 8. 2026 Honda Ridgeline. Honda's 2026 Ridgeline is a red-hot revolution. A 320 HP turbo V6, torque vectoring AWD, and a 7.3 CUFT in-bed trunk. With 5,500 lbs of towing and terrain modes, it's a pickup that refuses to compromise. Number 9. 2026 Toyota RAV4 Prime. Toyota's RAV4 Prime gets a 219 HP hybrid powertrain, 42 mpg, and ventilated seats. The new Hybrid Performance app tracks your eco wins. At $35K, it's for drivers who want spice, not sacrifice. Number 10. 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid. Closing the list, the 2025 Corolla Cross Hybrid. A solar panel on the rear window, illuminated badges, and a 10-inch tech suite. At $36K, it's proof that compact can be cutting edge. So, which of these game changers has your heart? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe for more automotive fire. Stay tuned, we're revving up for an epic 2026.